Make no mistake about it. Every single morning, each one of us, you, me, 7 billion people around this world, we all wake up wanting one thing whether we know it or not. And that's to influence the people in our lives, to influence the people in the world around us. Whether you're a single mother or father trying to persuade your child to take a bath at bath time, a husband or wife trying to influence your spouse on what to do with that urine bonus, or a sales manager trying to get your sales team to make those extra prospecting calls. The central goal for each one of us, knowingly or unknowingly, is to move our ideas, our agenda forward so we can meet our goals. In fact, I think John Maxwell said it best when he said leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. So, if you want to be a better leader, you want to be a better salesperson, you want to be more respected, recognize the degree which you understand the 7 universal laws of influence and how you employ them ethically and effectively will not only determine your success in your business life, but your personal life as well. In our workshop, we're going to take a deep dive into how humans really make decisions. I'm going to touch on the 7 universal laws of influence, and then we're going to take a deep dive into the authority principle. I'm going to show you how we activate it and how we amplify it, and we're even going to take a look at some case studies. So I hope you join me for Inside the Mind, understanding the science behind human decision making and persuasion.